Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue. Selected boot device failed. Press any key to reboot the machine. So I have inserted the pen drive here, but in my Windows I'm getting this error. But if you haven't inserted the pen drive but still you are getting the same issue, I will show you how to fix that. So press any key and continuously press the F12 key. This issue mainly occurs in Dell laptops. Even you can press F2 key directly as well and go to the BIOS setup here. This option, BIOS setup. Once you go to the BIOS setup, we need to go to the boot sequence here. And from here, as you can see here, these are the options. So we need to select here the legacy here first. Okay. And once you select legacy, click on apply and click on exit. Now let's see. Same thing, you need to change that. If UEFI is already selected, just select the legacy. If legacy is already selected, change the UEFI. Now you can see window is loading and I should able to install the Windows after that. So this is the fix to this fix issue guys. So I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.